Ali Bank of Kuwait, or ABK, is a regional bank with more than 50 years of operation in the Gulf. With a strong vision focused on reimagining a simpler bank, ABK offers a wide range of financial products and seamless banking services to retail and commercial customers in Kuwait, United Arab Emirates and Egypt. With a workforce of over 2,000 employees, ABK offers its customers speed, convenience and security through its 78 branches, while continuously developing and enhancing its processes and systems to apply the latest technology. ABK was recently one of the leading banks in Kuwait to enhance its digital payments offering by launching Samsung, Fitbit and Garmin Pay. The bank continues to enjoy its long-standing relationship with Skywards Emirates dating back to 2002. And ABK has been listed in the top 10 safest banks in the Middle East by Global Finance 2020. Now, I'm pleased to say that I'm joined by Stewart Lockie. He is the General Manager of Ali Bank of Kuwait to talk a little bit more about their work. Stewart, great to chat to you. Now, I know that your overarching strategy has been for simpler banking. So talk to us about the digital transformation and how that's helped you to achieve your goals.
Sure. I mean, I think the digital piece has been happening for a number of years now in ABK. Looking at it the other day, we offer over 30 solutions now digitally, whether that's through our call center, whether it's through our mobile or on online application. And I think as our progression and development has grown in the digital space, so has the demand for it in Kuwait particularly, which is our home market, a lot more of a tech savvy demographic coming through. So the ability to be able to do all of your banking at the touch of a button provides our customers with obviously speed, convenience, and given the current crisis as well, safety as well. So this is how it works. Simplicity and digital work hand in hand.
Why do you think customers have taken to the digital services so eagerly?
Well, I mean, I was looking at the stats recently and we've seen triple-digit growth in the digital offerings from this time last year. Now, I don't think we'll get through a conversation without talking about COVID and what that's done. So the ability for customers to be able to do the majority of their banking from the comfort of their own homes or where they were going into the office has really sort of struck a chord. And the more things we do around the digital piece to enable the customers to have that choice, the better it is. And I think that's how it's met. I mean, COVID has basically just, I suppose, sped up the process, if you like, of a digital appetite. It was always there, but I think people's appetite has grown considerably in 2020.
So do you feel as though the current pandemic has actually increased that eagerness?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's increased eagerness. It's changed banking habits. I think that's what it's done. The way people would traditionally bank, particularly in markets like Kuwait and Egypt, would be to visit the branch. And of course, they can still do that. We adopted recently an online booking system. So there, where people are a bit concerned about coming into a branch and queuing up, they can actually book a set time to visit the office and go straight into the convenience and privacy of their own office to see their relationship manager. But the appetite to actually, rather than come in, do it at home is just expanding all the time. And as I say, triple-digit growth has just borne that fact out, really.
At this point, are those that bank with you able to manage their accounts completely without approaching a branch?
Yeah, I mean, we're still existing customers. I would say it's 99%. There are still some very strict money laundering and know your customer requirements that we're required to work with the regulators here in Kuwait, which mean that customers do have to come in to update their details from time to time. And the rest of that you can do online. You can apply for a loan, open a savings account, transactions, statements. You can do all of that online. We're in the final stages here in Kuwait of developing complete online boarding. So that means even new customers to ABK will be able to open an account online, but we're not quite there yet, but that's something we're looking forward to in 2021.
So can you talk to us a bit about how the digital transformation has helped your team with the management of ABK's services?
Yeah, I mean, this year we would have been lost without the digital platform. We in Kuwait were a little bit different to the UK. We had a full lockdown. It was 22 hours a day for a period of time. Wow. So without the offering of digital banking to our customers and to be able to work remotely to serve our customers, we would have been absolutely lost. There would have been a lot of issues. However, because we've actually got the digital practices and processes and policies in place, from a customer's perspective, it was almost seamless. They didn't notice any impact on their banking facilities and the 24 hours, 7 days a week operation that we provide to them. So this is how you can see it's a real partnership in action. And not that COVID was good news, of course it wasn't. COVID was obviously an acid test to show that even in the most of extreme circumstances, we're still able to reach out and serve our customers.
Earlier this year, you announced a payment system incorporating Fitbit, Samsung and Garmin products. Talk to us about how this aids your customers.
Again, it's just part of a continuous journey. So what we were looking at is how we can greater empower our customers. This is just basically putting the power back in charge of the customer. So once again, for security, for speed, for convenience, the ability to be able to use your mobile app, maybe not new to other parts of the world, but obviously something that's definitely been well received in Kuwait. We were able to launch that. And these devices, Samsung, Fitbit and Garmin, are very popular devices here in Kuwait. So again, it's just another tool for our customers, another option for them to bank, giving them the peace of mind, security, and above all, safety of banking in the way they choose.
And just very finally, looking ahead, what can we expect from ABK in 2021 and beyond?
Well, I think I spoke to you guys a year or so ago, and I said that retail evolution is like a journey. It's not a destination. The simpler banking thing is at the core of what we do. We currently use 7 different ways to capture customer feedback. And the prize for us is our customers. They're the goal. So we're taking the customer feedback on board and we're looking at how we can adapt that day to day. So I wouldn't sit here in front of you today and say it's one particular thing. It'll be more of a series of evolutionary changes that can provide our customers with speed, convenience, safety, security, and makes their banking relationship, above all else, as simple and as easy as possible.
Stewart, it's been a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you so much for joining us, and we look forward to speaking to you again very soon about the business.
See you soon. Bye-bye.